our model is unwrapped. Now we will bake the high poly details on low poly. For normal map, we will create normal map first for this model. So I will go to shading, again hiding. I'll hide everything. I need this one and this high poly. So I will select the low poly model. This is a low poly model, and here we can click new, and we can also add material from here also. So I will add from here new. I will name it X blade, and I will add a US texture audit by pressing Shift A on my keyboard. Shift A. It will pop up a menu over here, and I will search image texture. Okay. And then click new and resize your resolution by 4K or 2K. I like to add 2K map and name it normal. Click new. And don't forget the set RGB to non-color. And for normal map apply, we need one more node here, that is normal map. For that we will again press in this tab Shift A and going search, and I will search for normal map. Here is the normal map. Okay. Now we have to add this color map in this color and normal to normal of the material. Okay. So I will bake the high poly details on this image. So for that we will first select the image, and then by pressing Ctrl select the high poly model, and then low poly by pressing Ctrl, and go to the search engine, render, and go to the render engine and set your render engine EV to cycle, and go to the bake section and make a select to active. Here set the normal, and extrusion should be 0.02 for me. Good for me. Okay. Now it will take some time to bake the high poly details on low poly. Okay. Now our image is ready. So first I will save it. I will save the image. X normal, and now I can see if I hide the high poly model, we can see the high poly details is on the low poly model. Like this I will bake the other part also. So that's it for now.